Hello everyone, in this video we would be talking about the various aspects and we fall easily into the trap of getting angry. Anger is a very widely and profoundly used issues these days. That too because we tend to get angry or the silly things too happening in and around us. We don't understand the seriousness and the usefulness of the situation. We just tend to get angry at things so seriously. It's very bad too. Anger also has proven to reduce your lifespan to a greater extent. That's the reason you need to understand that there are things we can do to avoid anger and help us keep in our control. In this video, we would be taking up 7 tips which can help us keep anger away and we can live life to its fullest. The first one being, think before you speak. We often tend to speak the things which we regret later. That because we get angry at the moment and speak out whatever we feel without thinking even for a moment. It's important to let our thoughts flow in a gentle way, and then we need to understand the severity of the situation. We even tend to get angry on our own selves, though we also love our own selves. We have to understand that things can turn out to be worse when we get angry. However, tackling them with a calm and peaceful mind will definitely help us in some positive way. It's important to not over-exaggerate things and to think before you speak. The second point is, once you are calm, then you can express your anger. We often tend to get angry at people and then we shout at them with whatever things come to our mind and without thinking of the outcome, which may lead to very serious consequences. Whenever you tend to get angry or you tend to get out of control, firstly, what you need to do is calm down, relax a bit, take some time with your own self, and then you can say out the things which you wished to say when you were angry. In this way, you might not end up hurting the people you wish to. Also, you will be easily able to express your whatever you wish to say to the people very easily. The third point is, take a time out. It's important to take some time to understand our own selves, the gravity of the situation, and then react accordingly. Firstly, we do not need to react as per the situation. We can stay happy and contented with our own selves. It's important to take out some time and heal our inner soul. That too in a positive manner. This will help us understand ourselves better, and that too without hurting others. The fourth point being, identify possible solutions. Of course, there are a lot of solutions to the problems we face in life, but we tend to underestimate them or the importance of them. That's the reason we end up in the situations wherein we regret things out. It's important to at least note down the possible solutions which may lead to a positive consequence to the situation, and also to not fall into the trap of getting angry at things very easily. The fifth point being, practice relaxation skills. There are a lot of things which can help us keep away anger. The first and the easiest of them is getting into the meditation. Meditation, even for a short span of time in whatever part of the day, will definitely help you heal yourself. Also, it will help you understand yourself better and keep the negative things out of your sight. It's important to get into the habit of staying with your own self, understanding your own mind, and then working upon the principles which you have been following. Keep things as per your own accord and also help you avoid the negative outcomes of the things which you will be working. The sixth point is, know when to seek help. Yeah, we have to face the problems in life on our own. We have to face all the challenges coming up our way. We have to fight for our goal. But there are times where we aren't sufficient for our own selves. We have to rely on someone in some form or the other to express our desires, to express whatever we feel and whatever problems we have been facing. We may have a lot of good friends or someone in our life with whom we can share our problems. That too helps us a good relaxation skill and also helps us stay happy in the longer term. The seventh and most important point being, don't hold a grudge. Forgiveness is a boon. Forgiveness must be tried by each and every one of us. It's not easy to forgive someone. It takes a lot of courage to forgive someone who has wronged us. But the thing is, we have to understand the beauty of forgiveness. Whenever we tend to forgive others, there are some energies in the universe which we tend to flow towards our own selves, and we do not fall into the trap of anger or into anything which can ruin us or our own selves. It's important to not hold a grudge upon things, however, to understand them and work upon them in a silent and slow manner. In conclusion, I would just like to say that there are times when we tend to feel bad about things. There are times when we tend to feel low, but anger is not the solution of any kind of problem we face. We have to deal with things in a polite and generous way. In that way only we can take some wise decisions and work upon them. I hope this video will help you get some of your anger issues in control. If you like this video, don't forget to share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.